Hi everyone, and welcome to this new video. Today we're going to look at how the Download as File node works. This node lets you download files from a link. As part of our image scraper, we've built this workflow and are now at the step where we use the PickField node to get a list of elements. If we click on the PickField node, we'll see that we have a list of objects, and each object has a src attribute containing a URL that actually points to an image. So if we look at the Download as File node, it first asks us for the field path parameter, that is, which parameter it should take into account in the input object. In our case, this is the src attribute that we defined in the previous node. This is a required attribute. If desired, we can specify the object type to be used during the download. We can specify the file name and many other attributes as well. For this video, we'll limit ourselves to just the field path. If I run the test, we can see that all the images on the page are automatically downloaded to our machine. That's all for this video. Feel free to subscribe, like, and share if you found it interesting, and be sure not to miss the next videos to learn how the other nodes work. See you soon!